What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be making a movie animation in Scratch. So let's get straight into it. This is basically the animation. So there are two people talking, Abby and Avery. So let me just, so you guys can see, it's the text to speech. So you really can't hear it right now because for some reason it's not working. So yeah. But go ahead and you guys can now see. So just go ahead into a new Scratch project, and what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna have to keep the Scratch cat, and you're just gonna browse for whoever you want your characters to be. I'm just gonna be browsing these people. So, oops, yeah. All right, boom. So now what we're gonna be doing is selecting this. Oops, just quick turn. Alright, I would say that's good. And you're gonna go to your Scratch cat and just do one green flag clicked. Just quickly make it hide. And now you're gonna be picking your map. So I'm just gonna be picking this wall one. And you're gonna also have a second map, which is gonna be like this theater thingy. Really is not the best. So yeah, guys, just gonna select the white color. Make a quick little board, put it right there, adjust it to what it should be. Alright guys, so that's about good. And what we're gonna be doing is just hiding these for now. We're gonna be using them later on in the code. So you're gonna go to your Abby, and you're gonna be getting the text to speech. So you're gonna do one green flag is clicked, motion. You have to go to this coordinate, and also switch the backdrop to wall one. So once you do that, you're gonna do go to your text to speech and set voice to alto and speak.
Hello.
And it's gonna be speaking. Oops. Hey Avery. Hey Avery. So after it speaks that, you're gonna want it to wait for about 2 seconds and go to your you're gonna go to your Avery sprite, and you're gonna do one green flag is clicked, go to this, and it's gonna wait for like 2 seconds. It's gonna wait for 2 seconds, and it's gonna speak, and you're gonna set the voice to something else like squeak, and it's gonna say hey, and then you're gonna go back to here. So just keep on
Hey,
duplicating
Avery.
to I think that's good, and then go over here and oops, you're gonna copy this, put the wait block here, and you're gonna duplicate it. So it will be something like this. Hey. Alright, it's gonna say hey Avery, and then you'll say how are you? And then it will wait, and it'll say I'm good. Oops. I'm good. How are you? And then she's gonna say nice. Nice. Let's go watch a movie. Sure, why not? And then you're gonna go here and write sure, okay? Oops. Sure. And then we're gonna type, oops, go to the Avery. Let's go now. Okay. Boom. And you're gonna delete this. So now what you're gonna be doing is when whenever they say that, you want them to move, so repeat 30 times, move 5 steps, so it'll be like 150 steps they're gonna move. So just going to do the exact same thing for Avery, but make this 20 times. And also, you're gonna make it move 5 steps, so pretty same. Alright, let's
Hey
test.
Avery.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Nice, let's go watch a movie.
Sure.
So, boom.
Hey Avery.
Alright, now what you want them to do is also move. So, let's see
Hey Avery.
if they're gonna move.
Hey,
How are you?
Oh, and you have to put this in a forever loop, guys, so it won't work. Alright, put that there and that in a forever
Hey
loop.
Avery.
hey,
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Nice, let's go watch a movie.
Sure.
So,
Let's go
Okay.
now.
Alright, so it's kind of weird, right? Because the direction of this needs to be changed to 90.
Hey Avery.
Hey,
How are you?
Alright, let's see this.
I'm good, how are
guys.
you?
Nice, let's go watch a movie.
Sure.
So it's gonna wait and
Let's
then
go
Okay.
now.
boom. So they're going. And then once they touch the edge, so you're gonna be coding for Avery. So if they are touching edge, switch backdrop to chalkboard. And now what you're going to be doing is grabbing another if statement and doing if, grab an equal statement, go to your looks and do if backdrop number equals to 3. Oops. Backdrop number. Alright. Backdrop number equals to 3. Then it's going to broadcast movie. Broadcast movie, and when these two sprites receive movie, they're gonna show. So when I receive movie, it's gonna show, and also it's gonna change its color effect, so it'll be like they're watching a pretty like a movie. So when they receive movie, boom, guys. So let's test this.
Hey Avery.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Nice, let's go watch a movie.
Sure.
Alright, guys.
Let's
So
go
we're
now.
gonna be going. So you can see the scratch cat has to go on before it, so it doesn't like mess up. So I'm gonna put that there, put it there. So it
Hey
should
Avery.
work now, guys. Let's see.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Nice, let's go watch a movie.
Sure.
Let's go
Okay.
now.
Alright, guys, so it is working now. It's pretty good. And yeah, so that was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah, so see you guys. Bye.